Okay, here's another video of the units at my church. I filmed these units last week. And here they are again. This one's running this time. That's Bryant. That's the fan. Cold, sweaty. The 2015 5. And here's the black before that shut off last time. 2014 5. 3 times. And here's this one. This one was running last week. It actually does not look like it's been running, and it has a corporate skull compressor. I've got this one in heat mode. All of them in heat mode. When that one was in cool mode, and it was frozen up. Kind of like that Goodman Desert series. A lot of them. But yeah. I think it might have been this one. Actually, let me think back. I think it was actually this one that got the frosting. Yep, here's the... And this one shut off. So sweaty in there. That's another slip there. This one's on 2014 engine 5 ton. This one's also not running. So that's 15 5 ton. This one's really quiet. Yep, this one just shut off. Corporate skull. That Bryant preferred is actually very far. Over here, I can barely hear it. So, now it's a little bit cooler, so not much is running. Last week it was much warmer, so. I think I hear the Bryant Evolution in the back. Yep. I'm not gonna go on the fence this week. But... oh, the panels are too loose. The bumper fur is not running today. Yeah. These are really common around here, the bug evolutions. Yeah, this evolution also is not really. Does it sound like it? Here's the data. Yeah. They already answered my church we visited. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and over and out.